up. That's it. Oh, do you want some food? I'll get you some food, alright? Go in there. Stay in there, don't open the door to anyone.
You didn't come back.
Yeah. I promise, I will. I'll bring some food, alright? Got a fucking problem. Look the fucking other way then. Can you put the toy in, please? Let's get the train. Go somewhere. We ain't safe here. I've got a mate invited. He don't know where. We'll go there for a bit.
What on that Monday?
Shut up, don't worry. He ain't gonna find us. Look, you're gonna have to stay here. You're gonna have to stay here in the cubicle. I've got to go and get some money so we can get the train.
What about my money?
Later, can you stay here?
For how long?
An hour? How long?
I don't want to be on my own.
I know, but you can't come with me. Look, just wait here. I won't be long, alright? Alright, mate. What are you after?
Jim, what have you done to your face?
Nothing for you to worry about. Look, do you want something or not?
Go on, get in.
It's me. You're right.
Where have you been?
Told you I had to go and make some money. Right. Come on, we're going to get the train. I can't sit on the door. It's going to take about an hour, so why don't you have a kip?
What about that man, Derek?
He ain't on the train, so don't worry.
Are we going to go to jail?
I told you no. I can't have a sleep.
I'm not tired.
Yes, you are. You are. Use this as a pillow. The window shake.